again, last one is costs and budgeting. So technology budgeting and people budgeting. I think whenever you get onto a digital transformation journey, uh, apart from the goals and strategy and what you want to achieve, there's always, it's very important that you kind of budget for certain things. So when you consider technology budgeting, I think betting on cloud technologies to ensure that the costs are always in check. Uh, don't don't go and invest into hardware. Don't try to create infrastructure locally. uh, don't look at softwares which don't work in the cloud, because they will keep increasing your costs over a period of time. So ensure that cloud technologies are leveraged and used at the maximum. Do not attempt to build custom solutions on day one, and that's something that we have taken as an approach. So we have not given any kind of a solution which is like a platform like an SAP, and you have to customize and you have to build internally. Neither do we recommend that you go to a vendor and tell them your requirements and get something on day one. It's always better to use out of the box SaaS platforms that work with each other. Try and use them. Ensure that your team has a certain process set on it. There is certain value that comes out of it, and after a point when it becomes to a point where you have extracted the maximum out of that platform, is when you can look at a custom solution. Because this is something that we have seen happen a lot of times, where people or SMBs generally think that you will have a vendor. Especially being in India, you will always find a local vendor, small shop, who will say that I can build this solution for you, rather than you investing in a SaaS platform. But it's always better that you invest in a SaaS in the start, and as you scale, you can move towards a custom solution. Uh, so we've covered this again, plan and budget as you scale. So for more licenses, for more data, consider this. Consider your costs, how they will scale over the period of next 3 to 5 years, or at least 2 to 3 years, when you plan and invest into any tool. CapEx versus OpEx for technology, again, very important, goes back to the cloud technology use case. Think about what your end goal in your business is and then invest. On people budgeting, I think what has worked for us and what we always recommend to anyone is to have a good junior and senior kind of a team combination. Don't go for too many people who are, and when I say seniors, it means who understand the technology or understand digital or understand. So don't just invest in people who have a vast experience in that. You can have a very good combination between juniors and seniors. If you hire one senior and invest in the leadership training programs with that senior to kind of ensure that the person is aligned with your organization, understands your culture, understands your context well, and then is given freedom to build a junior team under them, that works best. It keeps your costs low, but it also ensures that your culture and your context is better aligned and better trained or better coached with when you work with junior teams. For us at Kailash and Cell.do, we heavily invest in fresher hiring. Something that has worked always, whether it's tech or whether it's customer success or sales. For us, we've always hired freshers and invested heavily in training them, because every year technology and digital keeps shifting. The more freshers you hire, they kind of come with that understanding of technology by default. So it's more about investing in them to kind of understand your industry, understand your product, your context, your customers well. They kind of are already inclined towards technology and digital, and they always want to learn more. So during digital transformation, a good combination between junior, senior and fresher hiring has always worked for us, keeps the costs low as well.